Welcome back again, guys. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a butter icing or butter frosted ice cream. But the first thing you need to do, you need to have room temperature butter. And we have icing sugar here. Here I have, I'm going to use the mixer. I'm going to use a Kenwood mixer. And the thing, what you need to do, make sure that you sieve your icing sugar. Very important. To make sure it's been sieved properly. So when doing this, if you have a whisk, what this do is just to help you get through it quicker. That's my coffee machine going off. So this here is about 500 grams of icing sugar to about 250 grams butter. So you'll start off with that first. But what I'll do, I'll put the recipe in the description, or a smaller recipe. What I'm going to do here, I'm going to put the butter in this. You can use a hand mixer if you want, and I'll be using a whisk in that. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put this down, and you need to whip this until it's start to get fluffy. But what I'm basically looking for is like it's gonna kind of double in size. So I'm gonna keep whipping it until it's increased. Then it's gonna get lighter and lighter. So as you see, sort of get lighter and lighter. And what I'm gonna do, normally I add some bit of rose water to mine. Remember, that's personal preference. I'll be adding some vanilla also. And I'm gonna whisk it again. Next thing, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start add icing sugar. So make sure you just add it little by little. You start him up again, slow. And then you're gonna wait until that dissolves with the butter. What's gonna happen when you do it this particular way is that it keeps doubling in size. I'm gonna increase the speed a little bit. From time to time, make sure you ease this up and scrape down the side. Very important. We're going to add some more. And we're going to repeat the same process. So our icing is ready. So I'm just going to knock this off. So our icing is finished. And if you want, guys, you can add a little bit of milk to this. But because this is whipped so nice and fluffy, you don't really need any milk in that. If you need to do some icing, you have all these different tips which you can use to make your different patterns. So feel free to do so. Get your piping bags and you can go ahead. Make sure you fill these up. Make sure you fill this up to however you want it. So for example, with this one tip, you can do a lot of different stuff. You can do that. You can make your pattern, however pattern you want to make. You can do so you choose whatever pattern you want to make with this and execute it. Feel free to add some color to this also if you wish to do so.